Good afternoon to you. A better chance of seeing blue skies today. We've got some wonderful sunshine out there, but also some hit and miss showers, some longer downpours ahead of a clearer, if chilly, night. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture. Huge chunks of sunshine out there, really beautiful and bright, but a fair few showers, hit and miss downpours in the next few hours. The length and breadth of Britain and Northern Ireland, they'll crop up almost anywhere as the afternoon wears on. A deluge for some of us, slow moving, prolonged and intense enough to give a few grumbles of thunder, but in the sunshine, out of the breeze, temperatures lifted to 18 degrees or so, if a little muggy through the southeast with the moisture in the air. Elsewhere, the temperature's a little more modest and always a little chillier for northern Scotland. But generally speaking, lots of sunshine away from those downpours across the north and the east to end the day. A fine evening ahead of clearer skies tonight. Temperatures slide, a little chilly for many of us, particularly further east. See you soon.
National weather.
A very good evening to you. It's been a lively week of weather so far, and it's showing little let up in the next 24 to 48 hours. A calmer, quieter, chillier night ahead before things really start to develop into tomorrow. The winds whipping up and the rain heading in as this deep area of low pressure sweeps in from the Atlantic. A little unusual this time of year, but not unheard of. We will see damaging gusts and gales and an awful lot of wet weather to come through the course of Thursday and Friday. All in all, thoroughly disappointing for the time of year. A fine end to the day, some late sunshine but hefty downpours for eastern Scotland, northeast of England and parts of the southeast, slowly fading to leave us with a quieter, calmer, clearer night, and under the starry skies, temperatures sliding away. A chilly night across these eastern locations, close to freezing in rural spots, and further west a little more action. Come dawn, the winds picking up and the rain tickling fringes of Northern Ireland, West Wales and the West Country. Further east, clear and crisp, but from the word go, if a little chilly. A touch grotty through northeastern Scotland with dull, damp conditions here to start the day. Elsewhere, some perky sunshine before the clouds gather and the rain slowly edges its way in from the west, making some headway eastwards through the course of the day. Gusty winds picking up all the while, howling around the coast. Gales expected across those western areas of Britain and Northern Ireland. A touch drier across the south, but staying cool for the time of year. And that theme continues into Friday. Temperatures a little lower, if everything. Gusty winds and a good deal of wet weather to come once more. See you soon. Very good evening to you. Lively weather this week, showing little let up in the next 48 hours. We have got a respite tonight, clearer, calmer and chillier before the winds pick up and the rain heads in. Clearer and a little colder for the east tonight, close to 2 or 3 degrees. Touch lower in the countryside, a touch of frost, but further west a little more action. The winds whipping up come dawn with rain tickling fringes of Northern Ireland, the west of Wales and the West Country. Away from here, a clear, crisp, if cold start, some stunning sunshine, if a little grotty across the northeast of Scotland, but eventually things go downhill from the west. The clouds gathering and the rain heading in. A soaking for many of us tomorrow, just a touch drier across those southern counties, occasional sunshine, but gusty winds really whipping up, howling around western coast with gales for a time across the southwest and Wales. And it stays horribly blustery, windy and wet into Friday, which is particularly for the time of year.